Hi friends, this is Dr. Apurv Mehra. I am an orthopedic surgeon and I am very excited to meet you in ORR in Delhi on 21st December 2023. I have been assigned the responsibility of completing and revising the entire course of orthopedics over a half of a day, and I will be trying to tell you how to approach musculoskeletal imaging, how to differentiate different type of infective and non-infective arthritis, some mnemonics, some tricks to understand important bone tumors, how to find out in imaging or otherwise what is RA, what is ankylosing spondylitis, or what is ankylosing hyperostosis, how to differentiate between rickets and scurvy. It becomes something jumbled up, how to remember the nerve roots or the nerve injuries or the muscles supplying them, different deformities and the splints in them, and then comes the trauma. Nowadays you have lots of questions coming on trauma, approach to the trauma patients, approach to the different diagnosis of the fractures that they are, and then the treatment options which are there. Not to miss, we'll be talking about some of the metabolic disorders, the osteoclast defect, the osteoporosis. We'll be talking about sports injury because this is something that the examiners love. Like the recent exam had an image of anti-cruciate ligament. That's what the exam is going up to. And finally, the big guys area, the small bones, pediatric orthopedics. So this is something we'll be doing over the few hours that are being assigned by the great team Cerebellum. All right, we'll be doing orthopedics on 21st December. Looking forward to see you at ORR in Delhi. Thank you very much.